This modular tabletop command center is built specifically for tabletop RPGs and board games, turning your messy play area into a professional gaming station. At first glance, this product looks like a simple, elegant wooden case, but it's actually a masterpiece of traditional craftsmanship. It's made from premium precious woods using ancient mortise and tenon joinery. This means there are no cheap screws or plastic hinges holding it together, just high-quality wood fitted perfectly to last a lifetime. Because it uses natural grain, no two units look exactly the same. Most storage solutions only care about what happens after the game is over. They're just boxes to shove your stuff into. This tool is different. It's designed to be an active part of your gameplay from start to finish. When you unfold this gadget, it transforms your table in seconds. It features a built-in dice tower that ensures your rolls stay on the table and feel like a true ritual. No more chasing a natural 20 under the couch. For card players, there's an integrated card rail. This keeps your quest cards and character stats upright and visible. It saves space and, more importantly, keeps your expensive cards from getting creased or spilled on. If you're a game master or someone who likes to track stats, you'll love the built-in whiteboard. You can log health points or initiative orders and wipe them away instantly. There's even a dedicated device stand for your tablet or phone, so you can check digital rulebooks without cluttering the main play area. What makes this system truly special is its modularity. This is the fourth generation of the design, and the creators made a very important promise: it's fully backward compatible. If you own previous versions, those modules still work. You can swap parts, add new zones for tokens, and customize the layout to fit whatever game you're playing, whether it's a high fantasy RPG or a complex strategy board game. It also comes with a matching infinite pen made of the same wood, which tucks perfectly into its own storage slot. When the night ends, everything folds back into a single magnetic rectangle that fits right into your backpack. You go from a full-blown command center to a portable wooden box in less than a minute. Whether you're playing at a board game cafe, hosting a family night, or taking your campaign outdoors, this system brings order to the adventure. It's not just about cleaning up, it's about staying immersed in the story without the distractions of a messy table. If you want to see all the different wood types and modular options available, check out the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this look at the future of tabletop organization, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your gaming group. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the best gaming gear. Thanks for watching.